Hey guys, welcome to Noxie's Blunderful class. And I'm sorry I'm going to be talking funny today because I have a new headset, and what's happening is I can hear what I say as I'm saying it in my ears, and it's really messing me up. But it took me over an hour to get the damn headset to work. So there you go. If you're having a drinking game, there's Noxie's first cuss word of the vid. And today's vid is on text. As you can see, I've got Noxie's Blunderful class, and I've got it in a couple of different colors. I'm going to teach you how to make it, convert it to mesh, and texture it real easy so it's low lag and stuff, because you don't need to use an actual texture. And we'll show you some other neat stuff. So to that point, we go here to a new layer. We go to add text, and as you can see, spin it around so you can see, and it comes in, wonky like that. And you're looking at this thinking, okay, great, how do I look? I can't even click on it, Nox. What the heck do I do? I'll show you. We hit tab for edit, and if I could get this to do what I want. There we go. We're going to backspace, and I'm going to make a sign for Ruth 2.0. Now everyone does that. Let's do wee folk. My wee folk. Wee folk. Alright. Ta-da. And great. Now what? So do this again. And can't do anything with it yet. It's not a mesh or anything. So we go to Object, Convert, Mesh from Curve, Meta / Surf, which is surface, / text. Or we could hit Alt C. That's the shortcut. But we'll go ahead and do that. And now to make it easier, we're going to R for rotate. And see, it went wonky. We want to rotate X. There. It's about right. Not quite even. So go here and do 90. There we go. Ta-da! And now we go edit, L for linked, and we can make this one color. How we do that is go to materials, new. Now what's going to happen is everything on this mesh is going to go the color we make it. Come down here to where it says diffuse, click in there, see, and then we hit assign. So this is the base color. Everything will get assigned the base color. But we can do this, and L, and L, and come over here, hit the plus, do new, the diffuse color picker. We'll do this in blue, and assign. And it should be, can't really tell, can we? Let's go over here. Yep, we can. Okay. We'll do this and new. See, it's just it's this easy. We can have 8 colors because this should be, might not be one object. We'll find out in a minute. And assign. Okay, so that's probably going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, yeah, 10 prim. But what if we wanted it more than that? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to test it. Everything's highlighted and Shift D, made a copy. Pull that back. And what we're going to do is join all that. No mesh data to join. Oh, good. So it should just be one. Well, in that case, show you what we can do. What if you have a bunch of stuff joined and you don't want it joined? Okay, so we have the F highlighted. We're going to press P. Now, we can separate it out by selection or material. So let's do this one by selection. Now the F is a separate object. But what if you wanted to do more than that? Let's go over here to the E's. And L, L. Now, we're going to press P and do material. See? So now the E's are separated out from the other stuff. Made it a lot easier. And I wonder, let's do something. Let's find out, because I'm learning with you. So everything's highlighted. We're going to rejoin it. Edit. What if, let's just highlight one and then do P and by material. Look at that. So the F is separate from everything else. So it's kind of weird in that it didn't do what I thought. I thought it would take the E's and separate them for the rest. But yeah. So that's how we do that. But we're going to work on the original one, which should be one prim when we bring it in world. Now that we've converted it, we can have fun and change it. So we hit E. Hello. Why isn't it doing? Oh, duh. Okay. Hit A. Alright. Let's extrude. There we go. So we've extruded to make it big. Ta-da! And we should be able to pick different fonts and stuff. Let's go over here and add text. What kind of text? Is this font? Text. So if I had other text, I could probably change it, but I don't. But look down here. What do we got? Bold, italic. Huh. I've never played with that. So, yeah. But apparently there's ways you can do that. Go back to here. Let's see what happens. Click on this. And that's not what we want. Tab. Huh. So apparently we have to do it when we're in text, not when it is a mesh. Good to know. Texture space. See, I'm learning all this with you as far as changing it. So, back out, and then we just export this as normal and then import it in world. And I'll do that because I want to show you a little trick too. And I wonder, actually, let me do it now. Shift D. Okay. And do that. And then scale up. And pull it back. have to do it piece by piece. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Control Z, 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 Z. Control Z is our friend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. And we're going to have a little fun. Okay. Edit. And we're going to work on this one. L. And we're going to scale. Like so. This so I can actually see what I'm doing. 3, 4. Okay. Scale X. Well, I was going to try to make just the W bigger in the outline around this to try something cool. But it doesn't look like I can. Oh well. Never mind. So that's how we, come on, make text. We imported it in world, and everything that has a different face color here we can color differently in world. That's pretty much it. If you wanted to do it via texture map, let's move this there. This first go over here and tab, and then this. We want to unwrap, so we want this to be UV image editor. Okay, and then over here we unwrap. Duh. Okay. And we can do it 2 ways, well, more than 2, but one of my favorite ways is straight up project from view. Unwrap, project from view, and ta-da! It's going to look like that. Okay? And then you would save this and apply it in world. So let's see, image, do UVs, export UV, and I got a mess. ClassVidText, export. Pretty much it. Then you would use that in a photo editing software and apply it in World. That's it for another Noxie's Blunderful Blunderful class. Ta-da! Big hugs.